This is how to factory reset, hard reset. This is the Blue View Mega 6.5-inch screen about. Has the small oval in the back. It says blue. And this is how we factory reset it. We're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. Press volume up slightly first. Volume up, power. And we're waiting for this blue, white menu in the center of the blue device. And we're going to pay attention to those instructions because it says volume up to select and volume down is okay. And we need to get that arrow on recovery mode. Oh, do it right there. Okay, so only volume up, and now volume down is okay. Volume down. So on the Blue View Mega, this takes a little bit. This takes 30 seconds. This takes, oh, this time it didn't. All right, so it might take 5 seconds. It might take a little bit longer for you. At the fallen Android no command now, we're going to hold down power, quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up, and now finally we're at the Android recovery menu for the blue, and this is the B110DL or the View Mega. Let's use the volume keys now to go down to Wipe Data Factory Reset, and then now we're going to click OK with power. One more time, volume, yes. Wipe all user data, this cannot be undone. We're going to volume down with yes, and then OK with power. And again, it could take a few seconds or up to a minute to get this message right here. The data wipe is complete, and now it is safe to reboot the system, and you can push power. Now, keep in mind, if you've set your Blue View Mega up with your Google or Gmail account, you will 100% still need your Google or Gmail login and password to get back into the phone. The factory reset erases everything except for that security. So keep that in mind. And if this has helped you factory reset your Blue View Mega, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.